What's up, guys? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. If you are not subscribed, please go get subscribed. And if you don't want to be subscribed, then don't subscribe. That's what it's all about, right? So anyways, want to go over key cutting with you. I own a few rental properties, and if you own rental properties, you know cutting keys sometimes just easier if you have the ability to do it yourself. So what I did was I went online. I purchased off of Craigslist this Micrometric precision key cutting machine, belt driven. This is the key cutting wheel, and this is what the key runs along to get the the diagram of the key. So basically, you just set your two keys in here, and it copies it directly. This was what, $30, $35, something like that. Luckily, it was tuned in. Works fine. The keys work that are copied. If it was not tuned in, you could take it to a blacksmith and get it tuned in to how you need it. You can still do that. The other thing too is at work we have a nice SpeedX one that has the wheel to get all the knurlings or whatever, the junk off. Someone in the comments tell me what I'm trying to get off my tongue, please. I'd appreciate it. But this one doesn't have that. What I did do though, because I know the one at work kind of doesn't work that great, so I got this Neiko 6-inch grinder buffer, and I threw the wheel on there that gets the little nubs off the key to make it nice and clean. And this works great because it flies through that. So basically, what you have here is, so this key says Hillman, but on the bottom here, right here, I don't know if you can see that, but it says KW1. Okay, so what you would do is you'd go out and buy blank keys. You can go to a blacksmith, buy how many you want, or you could buy a box of 100 or 50. These are KW1 keys. So KW1 stands for quick set. It means they're quick set keys for quick set locks. So in that one corner, you can see it says KW1. Other blanks, you can buy blank keys for master lock. You can buy, these are CS1, and these are for Schlag locks. So basically, you have that, and I'm going to take you out of the holder real quick here, just so I can demonstrate before I cut how you set this up. So, like I said, you have a place for the key to be held here, and there's a stop on the key down there. You see by my thumb? Alright? So you put it in, then you tighten this knob down. So, and then you do the same thing for this key. You match it up with how it goes in. So this key will go in like this over on this side. This key will go in like this over on this side. Those stops help line it up. And then the key that you're copying runs along this ridge to go in and out, to get the pattern. And then this is your key cutter. So I'm going to position the keys in there, show you after I get them positioned in. This one's going to go on this side because it's the one I'm copying. And this one goes in on this side because this will be our copy. It's up against tight there. Let me pull you back out of the stand and get this brightness off there. Alright, so as you can see, the ridges there. So let me put that back on. You can see the ridges, and they go along see if you can see that. Focus. Focus, focus. Hold on. Alright, so you come along here and it's just going to cut. You know, that key is going to dig into the wheel until it gets over to that post. So I can't do this one-handed. I'm going to have to put you in the holster. And I'll try and do this the best I can without getting in the way. So basically we're going to turn the machine on and okay, then after that, what we're going to do next is come over here to the grinder, take the key, that grinder works great, and then basically you're gonna have let me see if I get it there. You're gonna have an exact match. Come on, focus. Focus. There you go. So that's it right there. That's all it is to copying keys. The final step is if you would want to mark it or something. Obviously, wouldn't put apartment numbers or anything like that on it, but you can do your own little discrete coding. I have this Tecton letter and number set, and you can just code it. You know, they're little punches. You just take a hammer. It's not the best set I've used, but it works, you know. And then the last part would be tag it and bag it. So that's basically it. So I mean, like, I was, you know, this was $65 for the buffer grinder and the key cutting machine, and then the Tecton set, I think it was $15 or $20. But I mean, for that price, if you look at key cutting machines, they're expensive. Even used ones, even old ones. I was lucky to find this one, and it's worked great. And like I said, I can still find parts for this one, so I lucked out there. Anyways, I thought this would be a cool video to show you guys. Just kind of, you know, key cutting's not easy, but it's not difficult either. And if it's something that, yeah, if you want to make a quick buck cutting keys for people, you know, it's easy to do. I have this now. You know, and when my family needs some keys made or whatever, I can hook it up. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys all on the next one. Later.